Is this the 2011 pirate attack? Is this the 2011 pirate attack? Hey, don't go down there. You're going to run right into the water. You're going to run into the water. Here, I'll drive the boat. Can I drive or you want to drive? Steer the boat. Where are we going? Go. You go get them, baby. Go get those pirates. I'll stay up here and I'll blast them with a cannon. Here they come. You got 3 boats on the port side. No, leave that there. That's not yours. Not yours. Oh, don't drop it. It might be somebody. You don't break it. Come on. Get up here. Oh. I didn't want her to break it.
I know. That's what I do is to keep on touching my dick.
Yep. Alright, Gracie. Here come the pirates. Get up here. Get on the ship. They got 3 big boats coming. Ahoy, lady. Look, we got a castaway coming on. Say hello there, castaway. Here, he can help you drive the ship. You gotta ask him how many ships are coming. How many are coming? We gotta get the cannons ready. Gracie, say get the cannons ready. Here, we gotta count how many ships are coming, Grace. Gracie, how many ships are coming? She's driving. Are you driving the boat?
I'm 6 years old. I can board stuff.
Wow.